Top 10 Superfoods to Swiftly Combat Proteinuria and Boost Kidney Health. Are you weary of feeling sidelined by kidney problems and seeking a natural remedy that genuinely works? What if I told you the key to revitalizing your kidneys could be hidden in your kitchen right now? Today, we are exploring the top 10 superfoods that can help combat proteinuria and enhance kidney health swiftly and effectively. Each of these superfoods is not only a nutrient powerhouse, they offer specific benefits to improve kidney function and transform your overall health. First, let's discuss proteinuria. Proteinuria is a condition characterized by an excess of protein in the urine. Normally, proteins are too large to pass through the kidney's filtration system. However, when the kidneys are damaged or stressed, they can start leaking protein into the urine. This can indicate various kidney disorders and is often an early sign of kidney disease. Proteinuria usually doesn't present symptoms in the early stages, but it can lead to serious conditions if left untreated. Common causes include diabetes, high blood pressure, and diseases that cause kidney inflammation. That's why it is crucial to maintain our kidneys in excellent condition. Managing proteinuria involves not only medication, but also significant lifestyle changes, particularly in our diet. That's where our superfoods come into play. Each of the superfoods we will discuss is chosen for its ability to support kidney health, reduce inflammation, and help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. These foods can help manage and potentially reduce proteinuria, while also contributing to overall health, making you feel better both inside and out. So, grab your notepad and let's begin. 10. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent choice for those managing kidney health due to its exceptional nutritional profile. Unlike many grains, quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This makes it an ideal dietary choice for those managing proteinuria, because it provides high-quality protein without excessive amounts of protein waste that kidneys need to filter out. Additionally, quinoa is rich in antioxidants and important minerals like magnesium, which help reduce the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, 2 conditions that can worsen kidney problems. It is also high in fiber, promoting good digestive health, crucial for overall detoxification processes, including the kidneys. When preparing quinoa, ensure it is thoroughly rinsed to remove saponins, a natural coating that can irritate the stomach and be tough on the kidneys. 9. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet due to their low potassium content. This is crucial for individuals whose kidneys cannot process potassium effectively. They are rich in vitamins C, A, B6, and folic acid. These nutrients play essential roles in reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. Maintaining kidney health and managing proteinuria greatly benefit from these factors. Vitamin C aids in iron absorption and strengthens the immune system. Vitamin A is important for healthy vision and immune function. The fiber in red bell peppers helps maintain a healthy digestive tract. It also helps lower high cholesterol levels, supporting efficient kidney function. Red bell peppers are versatile and can be included in many diets. They can be eaten raw, stuffed, roasted, or blended into sauces. 8. Garlic. Garlic is celebrated for its distinctive taste and impressive health benefits, particularly for kidney health. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties. These properties are critical in treating conditions like proteinuria, where inflammation can worsen kidney damage. Garlic acts as a natural diuretic. It helps eliminate excess sodium and water from the body, reducing pressure on the kidneys. Garlic also helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. These are key factors in maintaining kidney health. Additionally, garlic contains antioxidants. These antioxidants support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative stress, which can damage kidney tissues. Incorporating garlic into your diet regularly is beneficial. However, consume it in moderate quantities to avoid digestive issues and potential interference with certain medications. 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. As a cruciferous vegetable, It is packed with beneficial nutrients like vitamins K and C, folate, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and preventing disease. Notably, cabbage has a low potassium content, making it ideal for kidney diets that require potassium monitoring. Cabbage contains phytonutrients like indoles and glucosinolates. These compounds help your liver detoxify and eliminate toxins, reducing the workload on your kidneys. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that help manage inflammation associated with kidney disorders. Cabbage can be enjoyed in many forms: raw in salads, in coleslaw, or cooked. It should be cooked lightly to maintain its nutritional integrity and make it easier to digest. 6. Apples. Apples are a powerhouse of health, especially beneficial for those with kidney issues like proteinuria. They are rich in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels, a common concern for kidney disease patients. Pectin in apples aids in detoxifying the body and supporting digestive health, relieving the kidneys of some filtration duties. Apples also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce inflammation often associated with kidney damage. Quercetin in apples is a natural antioxidant that protects the body from oxidative stress and supports heart health. Since kidney health is closely related to cardiovascular health, this is particularly important. Regular consumption of apples can improve kidney function and overall health. They can be eaten raw, baked, or stewed and are versatile enough for both sweet and savory dishes. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are top-notch when it comes to antioxidant-rich foods, making them excellent for kidney health and managing proteinuria. They are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, primary causes of kidney damage. These small fruits also offer vitamin C and fiber, contributing to overall health and cardiovascular health, thus indirectly supporting kidney function. Blueberries are low in potassium and phosphorus, important for those with kidney concerns. They can be easily incorporated into a kidney-friendly diet, consumed fresh, frozen, or dried, in smoothies, salads, or alone. Regular consumption of blueberries can help reduce factors that contribute to proteinuria and kidney stress. 4. Salmon. Salmon is highly recommended for kidney health due to its rich omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3s are crucial for reducing inflammation, a common issue in kidney disease, and can help decrease proteinuria levels. These healthy fats also support cardiovascular health, important since kidney disease can affect heart function. Salmon is a great protein source that is easier on the kidneys compared to red meat, producing less waste during metabolism. This makes it ideal for managing kidney stress. Salmon also provides vitamin D and selenium, important for overall health and immune function. For the best health benefits, opt for wild-caught salmon, which typically contains fewer contaminants than farmed salmon. Incorporating salmon into your diet a couple of times a week can support kidney function by reducing inflammation and providing essential nutrients. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense superfood, extremely beneficial for kidney health despite its high potassium content. It is loaded with beta-carotene, vitamins C and K, and several antioxidants that protect the kidneys from damage and support overall health. Spinach also contains folate and magnesium, important for disease prevention and maintaining good health. However, due to its high potassium level, it should be consumed in moderation by those needing to control potassium intake. Cooking spinach can reduce its potassium content, making it safer for those with kidney concerns. The anti-inflammatory properties of spinach can help reduce kidney inflammation and aid in the management of proteinuria. 2. Cherries. Cherries are a fantastic option for those with kidney issues due to their high antioxidant content. They contain anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Cherries have been shown to lower levels of uric acid in the blood. This is beneficial in preventing gout and kidney stones, which can worsen kidney problems. Cherries also help control blood pressure, a significant factor in kidney disease. Whether fresh, frozen, or as 100% juice, Cherries can be a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Regular consumption of cherries can mitigate factors contributing to proteinuria and reduce the risk of further kidney damage. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon ranks highly for its hydrating and kidney-supportive properties. It is packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that provides cardiovascular benefits and helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. These factors are crucial for kidney health. Watermelon is also rich in potassium, but consists primarily of water, which helps flush out toxins from the body. This aids the kidneys in their filtration role. Moreover, the mild diuretic properties of watermelon help increase urine production. This helps cleanse the kidneys of waste materials. Watermelon can be consumed in moderate amounts to provide hydration and essential nutrients without overwhelming the kidneys. It's perfect for managing proteinuria by supporting the body's natural detoxification processes through hydration and nutrient intake. As we wrap up our journey through these powerful superfoods, remember that managing kidney health and proteinuria involves making informed dietary choices that support overall wellness. Incorporating foods like salmon, spinach, cherries, and watermelon into your diet can significantly benefit your kidneys and help maintain their function over time. Each of these superfoods brings unique nutrients that aid in reducing inflammation, protecting against oxidative stress, and enhancing your body's natural detox processes. Embracing a balanced diet rich in these nutrients, along with regular checkups with your healthcare provider, can make a big difference in your kidney health and your life. Don't forget, every small change you make contributes to a healthier tomorrow.